If you are setting up a Cloudflare Worker application for the first time using PNPM instead of NPM, and you are setting up your project to deploy from your Git repository, and you are using the Wrangler command line tool from Cloudflare, and you happen to run into this error during your initial build, this Wrangler not found error. I obviously printed this out from the build logs. This Wrangler not found error can be rather perplexing because clearly in my package.json file, I am including Wrangler as a dev dependency package. One solution for this is to add a build command. So under the build command input box, add pnpm run build. That's pnpm. And under the deploy command section, the command npx wrangler deploy will no longer work because we are not using npm anymore. We're using pnpm. In my case, the command I want to use is actually pnpm run deploy. Now, let me show you what this command actually run. That deploy command will run pnpm exec wrangler deploy, which will use this exact version of Wrangler that is pinned here in my dev dependency from node modules from the bin directory, which makes the execution much faster, by the way, because it does not have to download anything. We already have it in the bin. And I'm using the word bin in the computer science context, not the British English context, which means the trash. And from a DevOps and site reliability perspective, we want to keep the Wrangler version consistent for, across all deployments. And of course, if you are using Node.js and PNPM, make sure that the environment is set correctly for Node.js and PNPM. And also make sure that your project output directory matches what the build produces. Usually that's not the case with the Cloudflare Workers application, but you never know. And again, this is the scenario where we are using version control, in this case, Git and GitHub, as part of our CI/CD pipeline so that we can have proper vetting, proper code review on a feature branch before we deploy it. Obviously, we can use Wrangler to deploy code of the feature branch straight into the environment. Now, sometimes that's useful, but for production, we probably don't want to do that, right? I know that this was an issue that a lot of my viewers and people that I know have been asking me about and how to resolve this. They were using what was it, GPT 4.1 to help them resolve this, and it couldn't figure it out. Sometimes it takes a while for those AI agents to learn the variabilities in configuration. So I hope this video was beneficial for you. If it was, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.